Exfoliation is not a new thing and is one of the most important part in taking care of your skin. Then what is this chemical exfoliation? What is so special about it? Watch this entire video to know. Hello, I am Poulami Ganguly and welcome to my YouTube channel Aapke Ilaichi. If you want to know everything related to beauty and especially about skincare, you have arrived at the right place. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me. Also, do not forget to check out my Instagram profile where I post more regularly. So, what is this exfoliation? Exfoliation is nothing but a process that helps in regenerating your new skin cells by shedding off the dead skin cells. It actually promotes a healthier skin. There are two types of exfoliation process. That is, one is physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation. Physical exfoliation is something that you do manually and chemical exfoliation is something that is done by the acids. So in today's video, we will be talking about chemical exfoliation. So what is chemical exfoliation is the first question that comes to your mind. So chemical exfoliation is nothing but acids which help in getting rid of the dead skin cells and promoting new and healthier skin. With age and with sun damage, our skin loses its regenerative property. That's when chemical exfoliation comes handy. There are three types of chemical exfoliants, like different kinds of acids. It's the AHA, BHA and PHA. AHA or alpha hydroxy acids are the acids that cannot penetrate into the deeper layer of your skin and works on the surface of your skin by improving the skin texture, by improving the discoloration or the pigmentation that has happened or the acne scars that has been left behind. So these are mainly preferred by people who suffers from pigmentation or has normal kind of a skin type and only wants to exfoliate. So that is the kind of people who would be preferring AHA. So the most common types are the lactic acid and the glycolic acid, and they can be found in all forms of skincare products, that is face wash, toner, serums and also in creams. So for beginners, they should be starting with a face wash which is not very active or like cannot be showing the results very quickly, since you are just applying it on the tropical layer of your skin and it doesn't stay on your skin for long. But also beginners should start from there, then move on to a toner and then to a serum, which is the most potent formula. And also people who suffers from fine lines and wrinkles, that is aging and mature type of skin type people, should also be preferring AHA, which will help in getting rid of all that. AHA are water soluble and hence they cannot be penetrating into the deeper layers of the skin type. So the most common skin type that should be preferring are a dry skin type, normal skin type, mature or aging skin type, and people who suffer from pigmentation. Like AHA helps amazingly in removing pigmentation from the skin. BHA or beta hydroxy acids. So these are the acids that are oil soluble and hence can penetrate into the deeper layer of the skin, and then not only works in improving the skin texture but also helps in unclogging the pores, removing the dead skin cells, and also helps in dealing with acne. So by that you must have understood that people with combination oily or acne prone skin type, like people with my type of skin, should be preferring BHA because they will help you in dealing with acne, one of the major concerns that this kind of people face. The most common type of BHA is a salicylic acid, and it is available in so many different kinds like face wash, toner, serum and everything. So beginners again should be starting with face wash, then move on to a toner and then to a serum. And also BHA helps with controlling the acne that can leave post-inflammatory pigmentation. So if you are someone who suffers from mild to moderate acne, you should be preferring the BHA serum. But if you have some severe acne issues, you should be talking to the dermatologist first before introducing anything or applying anything on your skin. The next type of the acid is a polyhydroxy acid or the PHA. PHA are the newest game changer in the market, and they are best friends of sensitive skin type people. So people who cannot use AHA should be preferring PHA. PHA works exactly like AHA but less intense. They mildly exfoliates the outer surface of the skin. So people who are having sensitive skin type can lot of time experience redness, rashes or irritations due to the usage of AHA. So what are the products they should be using? Shouldn't they be exfoliating their skin? Of course they should, and that's why we have PHA. PHA have bigger molecular size, and hence they cannot penetrate into the deeper layer of the skin and works on the upper layer without disrupting the inner layers. So people with sensitive skin type should be going for PHA, and also since they have bigger molecular size, they are less irritating on the skin compared to AHA. Also, people having very dry skin or even dry skin types should be going for PHA, since they are sugar based molecules and they can hold on to water, so they can add an moisturizing factor to your skin, like not exactly moisturizing it but not over drying it too. So PHA is actually preferred by people who are sensitive skin type or dry skin type. The most common type being the most common acid that is available is the mandelic acid. These are the three types of acids that is available in the market. So people with oily, acne prone or combination skin type should be going for BHA. People with dry skin or normal skin type who do not suffer from a lot of problems but only maybe hyperpigmentation can go for AHA. But people with very dry skin type or a sensitive skin type who actually has a problem with AHA, they should be going for PHA. But by saying that, I also want to mention that you shouldn't be over exfoliating your skin. Like, you shouldn't be using the serum, the moisturizer, the face wash, everything all together. You just shouldn't, and also not regularly. That can over exfoliate your skin. All the acids has a property of over drying your skin or drying your skin, and with that your skin conditions are going to worsen. Like for combination skin type people, if you're over drying your skin, there will be excess sebum production that will lead to acne, and hence and so many problems like that. So you should never over exfoliate your skin. And also one more thing, by regularly I do not mean do not exfoliate your skin daily, but you should be regular with it, like twice every week. But beginners should start with the face wash and then build up their skincare product. You should see how it is reacting to your skin first. I am someone who has a combination skin type which is like dry on the cheeks, and the T-zone is very oily, and I am extremely prone to breakouts, acne breakouts. So I use BHA and I have seen it works fine for me. Like, one thing I have to mention is that it really effectively removes the blackheads. BHAs are also extremely useful when it comes to your whiteheads and blackheads. They actually control that, and I have seen that myself. And also they regulate the sebum production. So I think chemical exfoliation is definitely a better step for the people who couldn't use physical exfoliation. Like, people with acne prone skin type have always heard this thing that do not scrub your face because it's going to worsen your conditions. So that used to be a very big problem as into what to do and what not to. So with chemical exfoliation, that problem has been solved, and you can exfoliate your skin like without having to deal with so many other problems. So I think people having acne prone skin type, chemical exfoliation is your best friend. So with that, we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful. So do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And also do subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram page. Thank you.